Hey guys, welcome. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a fortune teller by steps. So what you will need is a piece of paper. It could be square or rectangular, but it should not be any other shapes. And you will need some scissors. You guys need to be careful with scissors. And crayons or color pencils. No markers because then it's going to bleed through your fortune teller. So you need to make this rectangular piece of paper into a square. So what you'll need to do is just try making it into this kind of triangular position and make it like that, and don't forget to crease it. After that, make sure you creased it well. Take the scissors and start cutting through the line it had made. So you need to be careful. This part kind of needs to be perfect to do the fortune teller, or else your square is going to be kind of, messy or something. See how I made my square? Now, after you made it, you could see that diagonal, right? Now do the same thing to the other side. Don't forget to crease it. Then, after you do that, wait, just a sec. It needs to be correctly so that you could get the center. See how I creased it well? Now, you could see that you have made two lines, and that's the center point. You see this corner? This corner has to be folded right in the middle line. Like that. Needs to be like that. It kind of makes a weird shape. After you've done 3 folds, it has to come this kind of envelope things. If it didn't come this shape, that means you guys did something wrong. Then, last but not least, the last fold. Then you guys have made this. Now, what I want you to do is just flip it over, and you could still see the middle point. You see the corner? Do the same thing again. This part will be kind of hard if you want to do it like perfect, because it has to be equal and even. And then after you do that, you'll get another envelope. If you get the other envelope, that means you got every single step correct. After that, you will get this kind of shape. And it's easy. The fortune teller is done, but it's not done yet. You have to bend it a little bit like that. You see how I'm kind of bending it? If it's not working, just try squishing this part. And then just crease it there. Not like crease with just your fingers, not your nails. Now after that, you'll get this. And before you color it and stuff, just keep your hand in here and keep your index and thumb again, so that when you're coloring it, it could be kind of easy. Because at the first time you do a fortune teller, it's kind of hard to flip the side. And then keep on doing it until you think it's good and steady. Now it's time to color it. In 3, 2, 1, go! And I have colored it. So what I did was yellow, green, orange, and blue. Inside I have done some shapes and colorings, and then some words. And thanks for watching. Make sure you guys do it and send it, and I hope you like this video. Bye!